Welcome in this Nummax Manager training video. You will learn how to upload medias and create a playlist. As mentioned in the introduction, Nummax Manager is not a graphic design software nor a video editor. All your medias must be prepared before being uploaded in the library. Okay, I have some images to upload. The image formats you can upload are JPEG, PNG, BMP, and even animated GIF. The max size for an image is 20 MB. But what we recommend is to optimize your images according to the pixel size of your display. If your display is 160 pixels wide by 240 pixels high, prepare the images in this pixel size. The file will be optimized for quick uploading in the terminal and a minimum storage size. The same way you can upload videos. Nummax Manager can broadcast different video formats like MOV, MP4, and many more. Uploading all your files to the root directory can be a problem. To organize your files, you can create a folder by clicking Add Folder. Name it, and you can move media files into any folder by selecting the files. Click on the arrow on the top right. Select the destination folder and click Move to here. In Nummax Manager you can upload one or many files. But you can also upload a complete folder if all your medias are in it. When you select the media and click on the info icon, you can access the file information, the media preview, file size. You can add tags for future search. You can download the media back onto your computer, and you can share it. Sharing a media makes it available to other terminal groups users. As an administrator of your account, you can access, create, delete any terminal, groups, schedule, accounts, and medias beneath your own account. But the subsidiary accounts cannot access to your terminal, groups, schedule, or medias. When you share a media to a specific terminal group, you make it available to all users assigned to this group. You can also delete the media. If delete is not clickable, it's because the media is currently used in a playlist. You must first remove the media from the playlist to be able to delete it. How to do that? You can see here the playlist where it is used. Click on the pencil to edit the playlist and remove the media. Once removed from the playlist, the media can be deleted. Now that your medias are uploaded, you need to create a playlist. Click on Create on the left menu. Give it a name. If needed, adjust your terminal pixel measurements to make sure you will be working with the complete area of your display. If you don't know the pixel size, you can click on Select Size and search for your display in the pop-up window. Select it, and the pixels will be set. Right in the middle you can see your display. You can zoom in or out the display working area. On the top, the different icons represent the contents you can add to your display. I will go through each content in the next video. On the left, you can add sequence pages. These pages are not slides. These are actual pages containing content. This content can be medias, slideshows, and different elements you can choose from the top icons. For example, you could have a slideshow on page 1, then weather and time on page 2, and video on page 3, and so on. Each sequence page background can be changed according to your needs. Also, you can change the page order by selecting the page to move, and at the top, select the position you wish to switch it to. Finally, by clicking on the three dots, you can hide, duplicate, or delete the sequence page. Below your display, it is the Element Setting tabs. Each element you will add in the display will bring a new tab where you can adjust its settings. The order of the tabs represent the order of the layers. To move layers from background to front, just drag the tab left to right. On the top right, the blue display icon will show you what are the current terminals receiving the playlist if it's already published. This area will be empty if you are working on the new playlist. Next, the preview link can simulate what your composition and elements timing will look like. Unfortunately, image transitions and animated GIFs cannot be simulated in the preview but will be there in your display. In the Save menu, we've got several options. First, you can basically click on Save. In the drop-down list, you can save as to change the name when saving. You could also directly publish this playlist by clicking Publish. It will save the playlist and open a pop-up window asking you to select the terminal group and check or uncheck the terminals in the group. The playlist will be published for all day long in a rotation mode. Find more details in the Schedule Your Playlist video. Last option is to save your playlist as a template for future compositions. I will explain the template option in a brief moment. For the moment, let's create a quick slideshow on the first sequence page. In my library, I select the images to drag and drop in the bottom area. You can adjust manually the window block containing the slideshow in your display area, or use precise coordinates and size. This works for any content block, and the block border width and color as well. Now let's change my images view and display it as a list. Each image duration can be adjusted independently, and transition effects can be added. The image order can be reorganized by sliding the image with the dots on the left. Finally, videos and animated GIF can be also added in the slideshow block. And that's it. Let's add a title in front of the slideshow. Select single line text. Move and resize the block as you will. Input your title and adjust the font. Now I will add a multi-line text block. Input your text and adjust the font as well. And click Save. What if we would like to reuse the composition for different purpose and not redo the same work each time? Well, you just have to save the playlist as a template. Name it and click Save as a template in the drop-down menu. Next new playlist you create, you can load the template and just update the elements. In the next video, you will discover the different contents you can add in your sequence pages.